Hey guys, this is LV of Handmade by LV. I wanted to take a moment to walk you all through my styling choices for my newest doll. Her name is Estelle, and I was asked to create her for my client's mother's upcoming birthday. The mother is a member of the Zeta Phi Beta sorority, so I was asked to reflect that in the style. So naturally, I knew the theme would be blue and white. I started by completing the body of the doll, and for the face, I used a new set of safety eyes from Amazon. This set of safety eyes has brown irises. I never used colored safety eyes before, so I wasn't sure what to expect. I'm also using a new style of nose, which makes it a little fuller and gives it more definition. As always, I used white yarn for the sclera and added ears. To begin the outfit, I carefully chose a beautiful blue that matches the sorority colors as close as I could. I wanted to create a romper for this doll, something nice that fits a summer vacation time theme. Now I had to figure out where to put the Zeta Phi Beta symbols. Initially, I wanted to embroider it on the front of the romper, but something about that didn't sit well with me, so I had to figure out something else. The first thing I thought of was a shawl, but there are times when even the best laid plans don't work out. After at least 2 hours of trying, I scraped the shawl idea. I turned my attention to the sandals. I often procrastinate on the shoes because they are usually the toughest part, but I finally figured out a foolproof method for making a simple sandal without any issues. With the sandals done, I had to figure out where to put the Zeta Phi Beta symbol. My next thought was a bag, which actually made more sense fitting my summertime theme. So I created the bag, decided that I wanted to add blue beads, and finished up by embroidering the sorority symbols using a method I never tried before. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Next up came some earrings made from pieces of actual earring fixings from my short-lived jewelry making phase. And my client was wearing glasses in every picture I saw of her, so I had to create a pair for her doll. The last thing I needed to do was the hair. My customer's mom sports a short curly afro with areas of gray highlights. I wanted to recreate that, so I went with a latch hook method of adding yarn to the wig cap and unraveling it to create a curly effect. Then I used scissors to cut it down to size. Finally, the doll was complete. What do you think of the finished project? Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.